In this video, I'll walk you through the process of using 1 of 10 for keyword research. Start by entering a general keyword or topic into the search bar, such as Canva, for example. Next, browse through the search results to discover videos that have performed exceptionally well compared to their channel's average. Take note of these outlier videos as they can serve as inspiration for your own content. Experiment with different keywords and explore various categories to uncover a wide range of video ideas. By using 1of10.com, by the way, you can find the link in the description, for keyword research, you'll gain valuable insights that can elevate your YouTube channel to new heights. And that's it, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you on the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.